Welcome to the Roaming Rebels. In this episode, which is episode 2 of our exploration of the An Giang Province, you will get to see a lot of interesting things. Firstly, we did a part of this trip with a very good friend of ours who turned out to be a professor of Vietnamese culture. We visited a 12 pancake pagoda where the volunteers make 12 pancakes at a time. You'll see how they do that. You will see Barbara canoeing in a Trasua forest like a local. We stayed in a homestay which was organized through a friend of ours, where the host very graciously cooked a whole chicken on a cozy fire for us at night. And you will get to see, you'll be very privileged to see the inside makings of a bird's nest farm, which belongs to a friend of a friend of a friend that we managed to organize the inside view of. So this will be a very interesting video to watch right through to the end. So as per normal, please subscribe, like and share our video and enjoy.
We are ready for a one-night stay over in a homestay, and so we can visit a pagoda with our friend Phil. It's hot, it's 8 o'clock in the morning and it's so hot already.
Barbara, how's your petrol?
I've got 2 bars.
I've got 1 bar left.
Okay, so next petrol station. So did you see that Buddha on the mountain?
No.
I was waving, showing you.
Carry on.
We are here at the 12 Pancakes Pagoda. There is a different name, but I so can't pronounce it. And in Buddhist religion, in the middle of the month, they give food for free to the people that come to pray and the poor people 2 days a month or 4 days a month. And the 2 days is in the lunar calendar. So we are today the 17th December in our calendar, and in the lunar calendar we are the 22nd of November. So it's a little bit hard sometimes to keep track of everything. So we are not in the middle of the month, but this pagoda, contrary to many others, they give food every single day. And there is a monk that is making pancakes. He makes 12 at the same time, so we will check this out just now. And the Buddhists are vegetarian in the middle of the month. So that's why also the food that will be served here is all vegetarian, and the rest of the days in the households they are allowed to eat any kind of meat. So this is quite a special moment for us to be here. It is not too busy, which is really cool for us because once again it's not in the middle of the month, so we can have a lot of pancakes. So we'll check this out now. And also you can give a donation. So there's some wealthier Buddhists, they will give a donation, and that's how they can rebuild some of the pagoda and obviously also buy the food to feed the people. So this is the place. We'll check it out now. So this is where the kitchen is and all the magic is about to begin. And it's very hot, very hot. Crispy.
The edge is crispy. Go nicely with the beer. Some.
Yes. Yeah. Circle. Yeah. Yes.
Like
Yes.
a pancake, man.
And the bean.
Okay, the bean. This one first.
Yeah.
Woo. How much?
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Then this.
Yes.
A little bit. What is that?
Little bit.
What is this?
Cái này là củ sắn hả?
Okay, close it. Yeah, I know. I am tearful.
I see.
Okay, that part didn't work too well.
Now we in Pancake Pagoda. People can make 12 pancake at the same time, you know. And Pancake Pagoda in local we call Dom Lai Pagoda, not Pancake Pagoda. And we here with Louis and we eat pancake. This fish sauce for vegetarian. Is that?
Okay.
Yes. And we use it with the pancake with some vegetable. It's yours.
Right.
You see carrots inside and papaya. Papaya, yes. Yeah. Try it. Oh, I'm sorry.
Crunchy, flavorful. It's a bit of a chili spice in there somewhere. It's very nice. This is the last way I would have thought to eat it.
And in those high trees at the very top, there are birds' nests, the cauldron, and they are everywhere. Looks like it's nesting season. And here they're selling the honey. This is as pure and organic and real honey one can get. Awesome. I am ready. This is a leisurely stroll in the swamps. And a little bridge that they are busy building, so one can actually come all the way here walking in the future and not use a boat. Feeling very local. Actually, that is quite cool. Protects from this burning sun. Yeah. Let me do this.
Yeah.
I can do this.
Oh, very nice.
Look. I'm doing this.
Careful, Barbara.
I can make
Do you enjoy it?
Yes, I did enjoy it very, very much. After a few hours of driving in the An Giang Province, we have arrived at a homestay. I think it's a rather new homestay. Apparently we are the first foreigners in this homestay. Thankfully we have our friend, who's also a tourist guy, Fern, with us. She can translate. And our room is on the right, the blue one.
Yes, and he's got a friend.
The same.
Yeah, but there's no leaves there. How do you eat this thing? There's some leaf, little bit leaf, huh?
Uh-huh.
There's no leaf here.
Yes, maybe I ate the leaf already.
Maybe it's young. What is this called? Monkey grass.
Very nice name.
Yeah,
okay,
sure.
monkey grass. This kind of vegetable is very good for your health. But it's really special in the south because it's difficult to find, and people have to go deep in the jungle to have it. And of course, there are a lot of mosquito there. But so that's why it's very expensive vegetable on the south of Vietnam. But in the north, it's not expensive. It's cheap.
The barbecue is about to happen. Ooh, look at this flame! Uh-oh! This is how you make a very tall Vietnamese chair. A rock, one chair, second chair,
What is it?
and comfortable.
Look
Lekker?
like a king.
Huh?
Look like a king.
He looks like a king. King Louis!
Hi, ba.
Yo!
Yo.
So do you eat the head?
No.
Why
Not the
did
head, not the tail.
So
But
why do
everything
they
in
leave the
between.
head on it? Just to
That's what I asked.
show...
But, maybe to identify it as chicken.
Why don't you cut off the head?
Because some people eat the head.
Okay.
And he doesn't know how about you?
No, we don't eat the
So
head.
let's eat the head tonight.
Okay, be my guest.
So you're gonna eat the head with me. Monkey.
There's only one head.
Đó là cái đứa bé nha, là học sinh của cô hay gì đó học trò.
Fish and
Dạ, đúng rồi.
mango. Oh, babes, it's mango.
I
So
am.
now you're washing the vegetables 3 times.
Yes, 3 times.
This is the second time. It smells nice. I agree. She just goes for it. Nice.
Chicken 0.
Chicken.
Monkey 1. Actually keep my bowl.
This is chili in the mango. This is the chicken liver.
Yes, puppy. This chicken
It's
is
nice.
delicious.
That fish is nice.
Power.
I think. Ta-da! Found the shower. Okie dokie. Gonna sleep with mosquitoes as well.
No,
So this is yes, I'm sure. Yes, I will close the door. I'll just film here quickly. This is our room. A room. And it's a bit dark. Don't think you guys can see that. Are you all set there? On top of your double, what do you call it? Bunk bed. Huh?
Wedding suite.
the honeymoon suite. You're sleeping on the top and I'm sleeping at the bottom.
Yeah.
It's a very special honeymoon suite. Okay, well, sleep well. And we come to visit the museum. Apparently the museum is closed between 11 and 1:30. It is actually 11:15, but if you know the right people, then they just open for you privately. I like the VIP treatment. It's about the Funan Kingdom. So the Funan Kingdom was between the 1st and the 7th century AD, and all the artifacts in this museum were discovered in 2002 on this specific ground, and this is a replica of the Vishnu god. And now on our way to the excavation site. This is where they discovered everything, and actually it was not 2002, it was 2015. 15 or 13. Anyway, it's quite recently. And we're having a private visit with 2 tour guides and 1 professor of Vietnamese culture. Could not have asked for better.
We are on top of Sup mountain.
Sup.
Sup, that means the meaning is fall down mountain.
Fall down?
Yeah, fall down.
Yeah, that's
And
a good
in
one.
the past, people make a divide to mountain from one, and the stone fall down, and they call Sup mountain.
Are you waiting for us? We're coming. This is a steep on the rocky climb, but I'm sure it will be beautiful up there. I think they're going. Come on, big monkey. Monkey Om. Hello.
Well, yeah, would have been nice.
I know. And now we're at the top. You can still climb in the tree, I guess. You know what? I feel actually a little bit of vertigo here. This is quite rocky, but quite nice. Ooh, I feel rocky. And also that step is made of what? Rusty metal, and not every step is in good condition. But we made it.
We go
Upstairs.
after him to have go.
Oh.
Nothing. Yeah. But it's a little hot over there. Yeah.
Trên này là bên này cũng có sàn này ra vậy.
Dạ. Còn trong này anh kia chỉ em coi là cái này phải không?
Thì ấy nói vậy đó.
Hồi nãy chị coi là coi cái gì?
Dòng đây là nó lại nó con luôn, mày coi cái gì?
Look at this. This is what a bird's nest
Ăn cái tổ thôi.
setup looks like. Oh. And there it is. Oh, it's cute, man. Look at the size of those little birds. And a tiny nest. Oh my word. And apparently this is super expensive. Bird's nest is 23. Okay, now I can't see anything anymore. 23 million dong per kilo. That is very expensive. Oh, that is a tiny egg. What do they do with the egg? Make another bird.
Chiếc này nó làm rớt này.
It's fall down.
Oh, it fell down?
Yes.
Oh. This is like one of those sweeties for Easter. Those little chocolate coated Easter eggs. Oh my word.
Chiếc này làm rớt.
And the smell is actually quite something. But I was expecting it to be much
They
more
will collect
smelly.
the white.
They collect the whites?
Yes, the
There's a
next.
nest tree.
Oh, I see.
There's a little baby, Wilma. Looks like a little baby there.
Yeah, look like.
Can you see?
Oh, there's a baby.
I see.
Oh, the little baby.
Oh, cute.
He's gonna fall out.
Cái gì chậm anh?
He's gonna fall out. He's gonna fall out. Yeah, but he's coming after the light. The snake falls out.
Oh no, they have the light. Yeah. Oh no, please fall down.
So they actually switched off the sound. So they imitate the sound of birds,
Yeah.
very, very loud, and they switch it off just for us to be able to visit. And we can't switch it off too long, otherwise the birds will go to another place, and that would be a waste. It's actually quite high, coming down. I'm quite surprised I made it, but what an experience. This is on none of the tourist books to do unless you know people that know people that know people. And he will probably come down.
Quick.
Yeah, quick. Like hop. Close. There we go. Whew. It's like a furnace in there. Huh? And locked up his precious goods. And see. What took us 1 minute to do takes him 3 seconds. There we go. Stamping my feet, take all the dirt out. So that's the bird's nest. Okay, so they have two sound systems, an indoor and an outdoor, and they turn it on automatically at 6 a.m. until 7 p.m. and it's going to be blaring.
This is bird's nest, which is built through little microscopic sized birds via their saliva of some sort. We're not too sure as to what the fibrous element is in the nest, but the nest sits against the wall like that, a little bird, baby bird in it. And once the little baby bird leaves the nest, they remove the nest from the wall. It's cleaned and it's boiled, and once it's boiled, it becomes soft like pasta almost, and then it is taken out of the water and dried and used for different kinds of ways. It can be cooked with, it can be eaten, it can be put in drinks, and it can be used as medicine. It contains 32, give or take, different vitamins, and what you're looking at here is worth about 400,000 Vietnamese dong.
No idea, but I think they're teasing each other. So apparently in 1 month's time we almost collect 1 kilo of bird's nest. And in true Vietnamese style, we just came to visit a friend, and now they apparently are cooking us lunch as well. So we're gonna have lunch here with those people. So friendly, so generous. Look at this feast. Look at this little barbecue setup. That is just the cutest. And there's the host. This is, yeah, hello. This is so nice, people. Very, very nice. What is it?
Pork breast. There's a nipple in or something. Whatever I do, imagine what a pork breast feels like. Pretty much sums it up. Thank you.
What did you get now? Oh,
I
you got frog.
Frog leg.
We got frogs. And I'm having this pork breast with a bit of mint and pineapple. Forgot the name now in English. And a so spicy sauce. And this is my first. Huh?
Fighting.
It's nice.
It's very nice. It's my favorite.
Your favorite? Not my favorite, but it works. Huh? And like I'm being fed now, literally.